Certainly, I assume you meant cake recipe. Here's a simple recipe for a basic vanilla cake. *** ingredients. *** 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 2½ teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 cups granulated sugar. To 4 large eggs. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1¼ cups whole milk. *** instructions. *** 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F175C. Grease and flour to 9-inch round cake pans. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 3. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 4. Beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is well incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. 6. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans and smooth the tops with a spatula. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 8. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. You can frost the cake with your favorite icing or decorate it as you like. Enjoy your homemade cake!